CNC, I'm going to use the pin tool that I showed you how to make yourself the other day for less than $3. And specifically, we're going to use it to create templates or models for drawers for a dresser. I have a friend that gives away dressers that he makes to a local rescue mission. He wanted me to digitize and create some faces. He provided the digital file artwork for me that I tweaked into 4 different designs. I'm going to show you those 4 designs being drawn out, and you can see how we can create 4 templates full scale to evaluate before we waste any wood. It's a great application. It's exactly what this type of tool is good for, and I think you'll begin to see how it could save you lots of money with your own CNCs and also improve your designs.